Hi guys, it's me again, April, and I'm gonna show you a hair tutorial, and I'm using my assistant hair. And then you just need some rubber bands and just a comb or a brush. Okay. Take your just take a little bit of hair and then braid it, the normal braid. Braid it until the end. So I'm just braiding it. And then tie this with the ponytail. So make a ponytail and then take this braid and then make a ponytail with it. So make sure the ponytail is good looking, because this is for your school. Okay, and then tie it. Now you got some ponytail with the braid. Tie it 2 times. There you go. You got a ponytail with the braid on it. So my assistant is going to try a hairstyle on my hair. So guys, you need to brush it well. You can use water for this, but we don't use that. So she's rubber banding my left side. Just take a little bit of hair. And then make sure that your hair is perfectly rubber banded. And then she's taking my hair on the right side. And then brush it well, guys. This for school, if you're running late, this is your hairstyle that you want to make. So she is rubber banding it. Three times. So guys, I don't know what she's doing on my right hair.
There's nothing there.
Huh? And she's braiding it. Bye, bye, baby. Bye, baby. And now she's going to braid on my right side. She's going to braid my hair in the right side. Shh.
Finish.
Now it's finished. So I'm just gonna show you guys the hairstyle that my assistant made. This is very cute and easy. And guys, and please give us a big thumbs up and please subscribe there and click down below and comment if you don't like this hairstyle or something. Bye.